Now let's move on to the RG58 coax assembly. In the bottom of the screen you see the reducer. The reducer has to be able to fit over the outer insulation of the coax. Then we have the preliminary stripping of the coax, and then the shell and the body of the PL-259. Okay, first we want to tin the reducer. By the way, the reducer and the PL-259 for the RG58 demonstration here are previously used components that I have cleaned. All right, we want to tin the reducer. That will give us a better connection when we go to solder the shield on it. Do it all the way around using one of my homebrew third hands here. Get all the excess off, and that looks pretty good. Okay, put your coax in the vise, slide the reducer over the coax, and fan out the shield the way I have it here. Then slide your reducer up to the shield and fold the shield back over the reducer, like so. Then you can start soldering. And again, once you solder the connection, you want to cool it off as quick as possible. Normally you only have to do it in 3 points. Get some solder flowing there. We do another point. And here we'll do the third point. Then we want to strip the center insulator to about 1/4 of an inch above the shield, like so. Okay, now we can put the shell on. You could do it either before or after this procedure. It doesn't matter, it'll slip over the reducer. Now the body. Get it started, and to make a nice tight connection I use the pliers here. No further soldering of the body to the reducer is necessary because this makes it a nice tight connection, a nice tight mechanical connection, and any future soldering would run the risk of melting the dielectric. This works out just fine. Okay, now we've got the coax connector back in the vise. A slight down angle so that the solder won't run back into the connector. I'm going to trim off the excess center conductor and solder the center pin. Wait a few seconds for it to cool. hit it with the air. Okay, we're all finished with the RG58. We'll put the shell onto the main body, and we'll perform our continuity test like we did before. First of all, shield to center conductor, I should hear nothing. That's good. Now, center conductor to the center conductor at the other end, we have continuity. And now shield to the shield at the other end, we have continuity. No shorts, continuity in both ends, we're good to go. So that's my method. Hope you enjoyed it, and good luck.